Hi, I'm Melissa. Are you in search of the perfect liquid liner? If you are, keep watching because I'm going to show you the best liquid liner that I've ever used. I have been a makeup fanatic for over 20 years and I have used countless different makeup products, specifically eyeliners. I'm always on the search for an amazing super black eyeliner that does not smudge or move around. Specifically today, I am focusing on what I think is the best liquid eyeliner that I've ever used. So Clinique's Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. It gives you the look of a liquid eyeliner, but it is so much easier because it is in this felt tip pen. So you can see the felt tip pen, it comes to a super fine point and you do not have to shake this pen. All you do is just draw on your line. So I'm just going to show you how this works. Basically, you're just going to make small strokes as close to your lash line as possible. This felt tip just glides along your eyelid so easily. The nice thing about this liner is you can create a super thin black line like we just did. It will dry down very quickly, and once it dries down, it's going to stay there all day. The other thing you can do, however, is also make that into a thicker line. So you can build that up. You can build that up to create a thicker and more dramatic black line. The other thing this pen is great for is adding a wing. I guarantee if you are someone that has tried to create a wing with a regular liquid eyeliner, this is 10 times easier, 100 times easier. It is just so much better. Now I'm going to add lashes. I am back with lashes. I also want to show you what is great about this precise liner. When I put this lash on, it kind of messed up. It didn't mess up the liner, it kind of like pulled my eyelid and now the liner does not look quite even. But this is such a nice precise little tip. I can actually go in here and literally just fix up that line so easily. There are definitely competing products out there, different liquid eyelining pens that you can try. I just find that this particular eyeliner from Clinique is the easiest to apply. It goes on the smoothest, it lasts all day, it's nice and black, and it's just my favorite. So let me know in the comments below what you think if you try this out. Also, let me know if you have a favorite liner. I definitely think this is potentially the best liquid eyeliner out there that you can purchase. I would love to see this in more colors. Right now it only comes in black and brown, and I primarily stick with the black. I hope you enjoyed finding out what I think is the best liquid eyeliner you can buy. Let me know what you think also. Have a beautiful week, and I hope that you will stick around. Please subscribe so that I can see you next time. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you love liquid liners. My new nails are hot pink with a little blue flower.